I can't do these songs without some dancers. I need y'all's help. At least tap your foot real hard so I can see your foot moving while you're in your seat. Y'all ready to rock? One more time, y'all ready to rock? Are y'all ready to party like it's 1999? Good job. I don't think you're ready. Wait a minute. Get funky. Come on. Good job. Ha. Come on. I was dreaming when I wrote this, forgive me if it goes astray. But when I woke up this morning to this morning was Judgment Day. You know why? The sky was all purple, there were people running everywhere. Huh. Tried to run from the destruction, you know I didn't even care. You know why? Cause they say 2000 party over, roots out of time. Good Lord. So tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. Hey! Good Lord. Come on. Wait a minute. I was dreaming when I wrote this. Forgive me if it goes too fast. Oh, life is just a party, and parties weren't meant to last. War is all around us. My mind says prepare to fight. So if I gotta die, I'm gonna listen to my body tonight. Hey, they say 2000 party over, roots out of time. So tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. Say it again. So 2000 party over, roots out of time. So tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. 1999. Oh, don't you wanna go? 1999. 1999. Chris, get funky with me. Are y'all ready to take it higher? Y'all make some noise for Chris Green on the guitar. Let's take it up. F sharp. Come on. Ha. I got one more song, y'all. I hope you're ready. Let's go. Where my bird people at? I see you out there. I'm gonna need y'all to do it with me. Y'all ready to rock? Say yeah. squat. Good Lord. I hope y'all ready to party. This is the last call of the fall. America, have you heard? We got a brand new dance called the bird. You don't need no finesse or no personality. You just need two arms and an attitude. Everybody sing with me. Come on, say squat. Hallelujah. Let me hear you. Oh, good God. Squat. Hallelujah. Oh. Now wait a minute. Brothers, don't be cool. Women like sometimes when you act a fool. Sisters, don't be shy. Wait a minute, band. You gotta let your body get loose, cause you ain't too fat to fly. Come on now, squat. Hey, hallelujah. Oh, sing it again, say squat. Hallelujah. Oh, sing it again, squat. Hallelujah. Say squat. Hallelujah. Oh, take me home one time, y'all. Love it, how you feel tonight? I say, love it, how you feel tonight? Well, I gotta be honest. You a little too tight. You gotta shake your head like Big Mike. You might get some tonight. Look out, America. How you heard? We got a brand new dance. It's called the bird. You don't need no finesse or no personality. You just need two arms and an attitude. Y'all do the bird with me. Come on, say squat. Hallelujah. Good God. Oh, good God. Squat. Hallelujah. Oh, sing it one more time. Say squat. Hallelujah. Oh, good God. Say squat. Hallelujah. Oh, take me home one more time like this. They don't want to do the dance, but we gonna do the dance tonight. If y'all want to see the dance, let me hear you say yeah. Good God. Wait a minute. I got one more dance. Y'all ready? Good God. Take me home. Levin, we hope that you're having a good time tonight. Y'all get ready for Marissa and the Tejas brothers. We gonna have a good time. Y'all having a good time so far? Well, all right. Come on. Good God. My name is Big Mike Pugh. We are Pughfunk. We hope to see you next time. Hit me 5. One, two, three, come on. We'll see you next time. We hope to see you next year. We love you. We hope you keep having a good time. Are you having a good time tonight? Say yeah. Chris Green, Baby Al, Makai Pugh, PJ Pugh. We'll see you next time.